This is a RCCB installed inside the electrical DB. This is a 100 milliampere RCCB. Today we are going to check the leakage current of this RCCB by using a clamp leaker, also we can say leakage clamp meter. Okay, so this is a clamp leaker. You can read the reading showing 0.0 milliampere. We have placed the clamp leakers around all the cables, phase and neutral together, and we can see the reading shows 4.7 or 8 milliampere. This is the leakage current currently with this RCCB, and this is a 100 milliampere RCCB, and the leakage shows 4.6 milliampere. That means the leakage current is not abnormal, it is acceptable. When you measure the leakage current, please clamp together both phase and neutral. For single phase, one phase are neutral, and for three phase you can see all phase and neutral. Don't check separately.